Well, today is the first day of April, and it was a nice day of warm and spring. And then just fumbling everything right now. Sorry. It's a lovely spring day.
It is
Sierra.
a lovely spring break. Oh my gosh, you rubbed off on me. Let's bring in 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko, who's working for you with how it sure is not the same case 29 years ago on this exact date, Adam.
That's right, Sierra and Christina. Back on April 1st of 1997, we were digging out and cleaning up after more than a foot of heavy wet snow fell across western Massachusetts. It's now April. The snow is all gone, and it sure has been feeling like spring this week, with temperatures making it well up into the 70s. But back on April 1st, 1997, things looked a lot different here in western Massachusetts. It became known as the April Fool's Day blizzard of 1997. Snow started falling on March 31st and continued into April 1st. The storm dumped very heavy, wet snow on western Massachusetts. Just over 17 inches of snow was reported at Westover Air Reserve Base in Chicopee. Some eastern parts of the state picked up 20 to 30 inches of snow. The weight of all the heavy, wet snow brought down trees and power lines, causing widespread power outages. States of emergency were even declared in some cities and towns. The storm even knocked out power to our station, taking us off the air for almost a day. And it really was quite a storm, and on average we get around 1.5 inches of snow here in the Springfield area during the month of April. Working for you, I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko.